create the issue of Anthony and then the S girl now ultimate situation no and should that enkoye enfama Anthony quarantine ni abre se obepe bibi na ode si ano kwan na Anthony S girl ye ode ensemo tutu ni su ana se enfa ne se o allege se Anthony aye ni bibi ne fe no Gabriela Cavalin na ababawa na mu ni
ena Anthony abono
ai
there's was a boy see omo na baby girls ahwehwe papa
na we an expert no ni jai oni ni jai kra asakra no Manchester United na lady no I reveal videos audios pictures for the Brazilian authorities which said the padodo na anya preview of what is in the video and what is in the audio but for pictures e bia baba bontia girl na nkasa moja kakra woni chi ni sa twitwa kakra o say Anthony the glass na Anthony wo kokko ho problem na de ma asem no kra ehunu yes o say Anthony ko hu message bia Neymar dos Santos they sended 4 years ago hi ne hello keke ba Anthony hu ni kokko apija say huru then na Neymar text o and then na Neymar be say iti ohun ni say Anthony kokko Anthony sa so ye jealous and the man acting in such a manner na fiti ho ba no na Abu Dhabi this issue na nkasa no enye na ne baaye most of the class who were interested in signing Anthony no dodo na pulley out of the deal not to sign Anthony no money about the case it they did not want to take the risk but Manchester United took the risk say he's not proven guilty and the lady is making allegations so step back and let's see how the situation what evolves and then abubaba must say Manchester police didn't want him from Brazil. No, say Anthony see a can hear Juma with England, and no see a kind Manchester United. So the country in which no see a kind would need to take due diligence and make sure say allegations na lady ne no and no cray and say no cray. So more collaborating with Manchester United, Anthony, and then the Brazilian police for no. So the bell be now.
And no more dropping.
And then no more dropping from na omo pay any situation behind and around the national team. Amon pack as a casa bebre. And no man for the one pushing Manchester United said there be said your muye missing Greenwood no. Mon drop your brand to so count. Manchester United so maybe homogena so yes and there be Greenwood dey any different. Greenwood dey no use name your Greenwood cry dey Cochino. Greenwood dey Cochini say. But this is investigations that are going on the Manchester police in Chino. Obi anche no fa no go to prison. Unless investigation in do stage be so was a charge no. Then they will charge him, they will bring him in normal arrest.
About there some so that.
Abu so okay 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks and 1 week ago.
Okay, ninja oko ninja mo.
So we be anam nenam.
Yeah. But so, no cray there.
Baby da.
Oh, okay.
And I did massive.
I don't know what them Nankazanet is.
Oh, Abu. I say we dey waiting. Now, you look at these particular kind of issues and where these boys come from. Any blow my brain. My Anthony story will happen.
Yes.
I was so no dead bodies so. No, they are copy training there. Who's a range of return crown or catch on my missing me to be amount. These players fight so hard through the favelas. Do this particular stage, then they lose their mind at some point in time.
Baby girls and
commit mistakes, then this is where you end up.